6 divided by 1 over 6 times 6, which equals how much? Are we ready to solve this problem? Okay, let's get started. So 1 over 6 times 6 means by 6 1 by 6 1, which equals 1. Then here 6 divided by 1 is just 6, okay? But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right, okay? We have to work from left to right. So in this expression, there is one division here, another multiplication here, okay? So according to the order of operation, this division has higher priority than this multiplication, okay? Because it is found, this division found at the left of this multiplication. So first we have to do this division and next this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So according to the order of operation, first we have to do this division. 6 divided by 1 over 6. According to the case F rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We have to keep the first number here and change this division into multiplication and flip the second number, okay? 6 over 1. So 6 times 6 over 1, then times here 6, okay? 6 times 6, which equals 36, then times 6. 36 times 6, 6 times 6, 36, right? 6, remainder 3. 6 times 3, 18, plus 3, 21. Therefore, 260 is the correct answer of this problem, okay? The correct answer of this expression is 216, okay? Please follow the above step and calculate the correct answer of this expression. 5 divided by 1 over 5, then times 5, times 5 here, times 5. Follow the above step and put your answer on the comment section, okay? Write your answer on the comment section. I am waiting there.